What's up, everybody? It's me. I'm back. And today, I'm going to be piercing my ears. Yes. I want a second hole. So, I ordered me a kit from Amazon. This is how it comes with some alcohol pads. Let me take it out. The little earring piercing kit and a marker. Have I ever pierced my ears before by myself? No. But I want a second hole. And I don't want to have to go to a shop because of COVID. Let's see. We're just going to get right into it. I'm going to be looking in the mirror too. So, excuse me if I'm off center. Let's see where I want it. Well, hold on. This earring. It's not in my ear correctly. Okay. Where do I put it? Where do I put it? Let's see. Is that right? Let's see. No, I think hold on. I forgot. Clean the ear with alcohol first, guys. This video a mess already. Let's see. Clean it with alcohol. I don't like that marker. It's not dark enough for me. She's a Crayola. Let's see. Okay. That's right. Let's open. No cross infection. Okay. So I will put this here, right? Let's see. And this go here. Oh Lord, I'm getting scared. Hold on. I put this here and I just shit. Okay. I did it. Ah, fuck, I missed it. Oh, I cussed. I missed the hole. It's gonna have to I don't think I could keep it like this. Aw, I think I need to do it over. But I can't. I missed it. My hole. Okay. It's off. Okay. Let's make sure I do this one right. Go right here. And put it right here. And I didn't do it with force this time. Let's use this hand. 1, 2. Scared. For some reason, I won't do this one. For some reason, I'm nervous about this one. Why can't I do it? I'm really pissed about this one. But oh well. 2, 3. It's in there. I did it. I did it. I'm a little nervous, but I did it. I did it. So my placement is off. Look. Is it? Yeah. I mean, I feel like they too close. But they're in now. I feel like I can almost put something right here. Like one more can go here. Like here. I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Do I look stupid? Didn't hurt. This kit was $9 from Amazon. I don't know if I said that. I did it. It was effortless. Y'all should do it.